checking in on today's sky. Okay. Oh yeah, today is May the 28th. It's Wednesday today, high noon, 12 p.m. We're at 65 degrees. Air quality is fair. It's at 32. Oh, we're gonna be in the mid-80s the next week. The next few days. Alright. But we got cloudy skies now. Yeah, so. Yep. He said we're gonna get rain today. Rained out today. Alright. But not much going on today. Got a cool breeze coming from the northeast. Well, post your comments below. Click that like button and hit that subscribe button. And keep your eyes in the skies. Watch your sunrise. Alright. I'll talk to y'all later.